Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is data loader. Salesforce data loader is a client application used for bulk import or export of data. It is a more powerful tool compared to the data import wizard and can handle larger volumes of data. It is an ETL tool provided by Salesforce to perform insert, update, upsert, delete, export data from Salesforce to external system. Same can be done from external system to Salesforce. 5 million records are supported by data loader. Default size of data loader is 200 records. Minimum size 1 record. Maximum size 200 records. Standard objects supported by data loader are lead, account, contact, opportunity, price book, product, event, task, user, and also all custom objects are supported by data loader. So steps to use data loader. Step 1, at any browser open the link https://dataloader.io and provide the credentials of your Salesforce account. Step 2, click on new task button. Step 3, select the object, click new. Step 4, select the fields we need, click next. Step 5, hit the save and run button. So let's see an example. Export all account records by using data loader. So let's log into our Salesforce account. So from the app launcher, just search for account. So let's see how many accounts are there. For now, all accounts. We are seeing this much of accounts, 25 accounts are there. So if we need this all accounts outside from Salesforce, so we need any tool to get this all accounts. So just type dataloader.io and then log in with Salesforce. So production environment, as the developer edition is production environment, login, allow access. So it's get access of all data from our Salesforce account. So this is dataloader.io logo, then new task, upgrade, getting started, here welcome, documentation, solution, powered by MuleSoft. So here basics is there, import, export, delete. At the right side we are seeing info, help center, and our account name by which we had logged in. So settings and all the details are coming over here. Finally at the end we are seeing the logout button as well. So click on new task. Here it's giving the option like import or export or delete. So we have to export the data from Salesforce. So click on this. Automatically it's maintaining the connection from our account. So select for the object. So in our case we are going to select account. All the objects are coming over here, standard as well as custom objects. So click next. So it's giving the option to select the fields, what the fields you need. So account id, account name, then phone, rating, amount. These are the fields I need. So by writing the query, also we can retrieve these fields. So click on next. So it's saying that 25 records, what we had seen just now in our account also 25 records. So name is account export, connection is Salesforce Network.com, that is production, object is account, type is export, records is 25. So we can schedule it also, hour, daily, weekly, monthly. As of now we are not going with that. Click save and run. So account export, click run. So it's in queued. So here we are getting a pop-up for write a review, not for now. So we are getting the result, task run and 25 success. Click on this. We are getting the file. So this is the account ID, then account name, then account phone, then account rating, and finally we are seeing the amount. So total number of records is 25. So like this we are dealing with data loader. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.